Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Engineering by Subbarao. Today our topic is provision of guardrails. In this video has been explained why guardrails are required to provide, where to provide the guardrails, function of guardrails, design and fixing of guardrails, and many more of in this video. Next, this video has been prepared to enhance the knowledge of young and energetic engineers. Next, why guardrails are required to provide. Guardrails are provided to avoid serious damages either structure or rolling stock if derailment occurs. Again, I am repeating, guardrails are provided to avoid serious damages either structure or rolling stock if derailment occurs. Next, where to provide the guardrails. Guardrails should be provided on bridges, and tunnels. That is, number 1, on all girder bridges, including pre-stressed concrete girder bridges, without deck slab, whether major or minor, on all major and important ballasted bridges. Number 2, on the adjacent tracks in case of ROB or FOB to a column or pier or abutment which is located within the distance of 8 meters from center of track. Number 3, on tunnels, length of guardrails depend on sectional speeds. Next, in tunnels, for speeds above 110 kmph, tunnel with single track, a approach of tunnel 200 meter from portal face of outside of tunnel to 25 meter inside the tunnel. Tunnel with double tracks, on approach of tunnel 200 meter from portal face outside of the tunnel, inside the tunnel throughout the length of tunnel but excluding location provided with check rails. Next, function of guardrails. If any derailment occurs in the section and dragged up to bridge or tunnel, inside drop wheels are guided by guardrails to prevent serious damages either structure or rolling stock. Since any derailment, a wheel set, one is fall inside of the track and other is fall outside of the track. Next, design and fixing of guardrails. The arrangement of guardrail with the important dimensions. Number 1. Clearance between guardrail and running rail 250 plus or minus 50 mm. Next, number 2. Length of guardrail outside ballast wall and maintained to clearance up to the length of 1825 mm, that is 1.825 meter. Next, number 3. Length of guardrails to be bent so as to brought together at the middle of the track. Its length is 4875 mm, that is 4.875 meter. Next, number 4. The top table of guardrail should not be lower than that of the running rail by more than 25 mm. Next, splaying of guardrails. Number 1. In case of through girder bridges on double lines, the guardrail should be splayed on both ends of the both lines. Next, number 2. In case of bridges other than through girder bridges on double line, the splaying need to be done only on the facing direction of the particular line. Next, number 3 is the end of guardrails should be bent vertically and buried and a block of timber fixed to the end to prevent entanglement of hanging loose couplings. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practical videos. Thank you very much.